geometric progression. Geometric progression 1 plus half plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus infinity term. It is a geometric progression series infinity term. Suppose first term is equal to a is equal to 1, a is equal to 1, and second term half, third term 1 by 4. So common ratio, because of it is a geometric progression. Common ratio r is equal to second term by first term. Second term what? Second term is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4. First term is equal to 1. Calculation 1 by 2. Then third term by second term. Third term by second term. 1 by 4, 1 by 2. Calculation 1 by 4, 2 is equal to half. As r is equal to half and less than 1. So total of geometric progression, total of a minus 1 by 1 minus rn, 1 minus by 1 minus r. Okay, 1 minus r. R is equal to half less than 1. A is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. And this one 1. And half r is equal to half infinity. N is equal to infinity. Then because half infinity power infinity is equal to 0. 1 minus 0 and then 1, 2 LCM 2 minus 1, then 2 answer. Subscribe me. Was this realized all of your progressive minded civilized human being? Please subscribe me. Was this really a study program? It is a geometric progression. Analyze this. Please subscribe me. I have to analyze further. 1 plus half plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 8. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, and infinite term. Suppose first term is equal to 1. Common ratio r, second term by first term, half, third term by second term, half. So common ratio r is equal to half, always half. Such 1 by 8 by 1 by 4 is half. Total 1 minus 1 minus 1, add 1 minus r and 1 minus r. It is a theory. If r is equal to less than 1, so it is a geometric progression theory, and that's calculation you just calculate yourself. Half infinity power is equal to 0. Is equal to subscribe me. In my previous lecture, chemistry, inorganic, physical, and organic chemistry, I have analyzed several term condition reaction.